This is a quick tutorial on how to use your Speedshifter. So you just open it up and it will look like this round thing here. Ignore the adorable Yorkie face. And then the first thing you have to do is tell it what song to play. So you have to click Load Track. And this should be the same for Mac or PC. So we click Load Track and it just opens up your Windows Explorer or the equivalent on a Macintosh. And for most people, the files you want to open for Suzuki Book whatever or the fiddle songs is going to be in your downloads because you downloaded it from my website. Be quiet. But in my case, I've already ingested it into my computer, so it's in my main computer. So where did I just lose it? It's on my D drive under Music, under Suzuki. Now, true confessions, I can't find the recording of me and Jed. I'm going to have to look for that later, but this will work just as well. So let's say this was Laura and Jed playing Suzuki Book 1. We open it up, find the song you want to play. We'll start with Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and just double click it, and you'll see it's now loaded into Speedshifter. So then hit play, and that's awfully fast. So watch what happens if I slide to the left. It slows down. So it's really basic, really easy to use. And once again, you can tell what song that the song is loaded when you see the title right here. That's really it. When you're ready to exit, hit the X. And just let me show you a couple other little features that you may or may not need. This is so you can tune. Now, how do I turn it off? There, you have to hit it again to turn it off. Otherwise, it will keep going. The gear brings up another tool, which is your transposition tool. Let's say you were a trumpet, or let's just say you wanted to play a song in a different key other than what it's recorded in. So you can drop it by 3 half steps by going to the left, or you can raise it by 3 half steps going to the right. So let's drop Twinkle Variation A 1 half step. We used to be A, E, E, E. Now it's going to be A flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat. Listen. So it's a nifty tool, but it's probably one you won't need for a while. I don't know how to get out of that tool once you open it, but you can choose any instrument for tuning, just a couple of little extra gizmos. But that's the gist of it. Did I forget to tell you anything? No, I don't think I did. So there you have it. Speedshifter, cool little tool.